I see smoke.
Oh, yeah, I do see.
There's some smoke coming out.
Yeah.
So back in the
Oh my
island,
gosh.
when the boys are tired of doing the fires, or the men, they have to keep the big log near the fire so the fire keeps on going. So that they won't do that, because sometimes it's very exhausting when the wood is not dry enough, or when the wood is not warm enough. It's very hard to start a fire. Nowadays we still use this method nowadays. Whenever we run out of matches, or
It's my
matches are finished in the shop, so we have to come and start the fire in this method. So now it's gonna transfer that into the coconut husk.